In this video, we will configure Neovim from this to this, where you can easily navigate between different files and folders, syntax highlighting, auto suggestions, and very useful shortcuts which can improve your efficiency 10 times from now. So in this video, I will walk you through every single step to set up Neovim from this to this. So we are going to use LunarVim, which works as an IDE layer for Neovim. You can think of it as a pre-configured files for Neovim which you can just install and use. So to install that, just go to lunarvim.org and click on install. And here you can find install instructions according to your operating system. So here I am using termux, so we will use Linux command. So just copy that and go to termux, and before executing that copied command, make sure that your repos are up to date. Then we need to install its dependencies, so execute following for that. Once it is installed, paste the command you copied and enter. And now it is asking whether we want to install dependencies for Node.js. So I don't want that, so N for no. And now it is asking for Python, and I need that, so Y for yes, and answer all the questions according to your needs. And once it is installed, you can start it by executing lvim. So this error happens sometimes because of undefined path. So to fix that, just copy launch script and keep it where all executable files are stored. And now you can launch that. And here's LunarVim or Neovim, but nicely configured. And here are the keys you can use to search for files, to create files, project, recent files, find text, and configuration. If you want to know all the key bindings in LunarVim, just press leader, capital L, K, and here are all the key bindings for LunarVim. And when I say leader, it means space key. To close this window, use escape key. And if you just press leader, here are more keys you can use. Next, if I open file, you can see it automatically starts installing necessary plugins and syntax highlighting and suggestions for that language. So if you are using different language, you can check install instruction for the same by visiting lunarvim.org. Click here and select your language, and here it is. Suppose I want to write some code in C++, so just note this command and go to LunarVim, press colon, and the command you noted on the website, and notice here it started installing plugins for that language. Also, if you are working on a project directory, just open LunarVim with that directory, and you can use leader E to switch between different files and folders. To find the file, use leader F. To use terminal like in VS Code, use leader \, and leader semicolon will again take you to the dashboard. And note that you must be in normal mode to use this key binding. If you are not sure about that, always use escape key before using any of those commands.